No! Astra! Astra! Oh, come on! Don't you dare! You're supposed to be the brave one, remember? Astra! Oh my god. Alright, fine. Saints. Okay, new plan. Just hold the tree. Might as well hug it then. There, perfect. Princess of the Oaks. I'm sure that's exactly what Father had in mind when he sent me to writing lessons. Alright, I'm sorry. Don't take it personally, Tree. I'm just trying not to fly to another kingdom, that's all. Astra, you silly horse. You'll probably find your way home faster than I will. The storm is just so sudden. Is it the gods cursing our kingdom? Wait, Astra? Sir Knight? Oh, gods. Please tell me you didn't see that. You did, didn't you? Wonderful. My grand moment of dignity. Clinging to a tree like a frightened cat. You can stop smirking now. It's unbecoming for a knight. Careful, the wind's wish is here. You shouldn't be out in it either. Thank you. I'm glad you're here. I think I was starting to have a very complicated relationship with this tree. You came to secure supplies? Ah, I shouldn't know. Duty before comfort. I see. Well, consider this your most absurd rescue yet. Come on then, brave knight. Save your princess before she gets herself adopted by the forest. Oh, wait. Ah, careful! I think if I lean wrong, I might really fly this time. Alright. I'll hold on, if you don't mind. I'm not used to this. Holding on to a man like this while riding a horse through a windstorm. It's more thrilling than any of Father's riding lessons, I'll admit. You ride so effortlessly. How do you? I've had instructors since I was 6, and I swear, no matter how many lessons I take, I don't think I'll ever manage anything remotely like this. You make it look so natural. Almost unfair, really. Oh, and your armor, it's, I can't exactly grab onto you properly with these metal gauntlets. Although if I try, I might leave a dent somewhere, which would be terribly improper, wouldn't it? Yeah, I hope you don't mind me holding on. It feels necessary, but also, a little embarrassing. And your coat, it's wet, or maybe it's just me imagining it. My hands keep slipping. Yeah. It's nice, actually. Being able to rely on someone like you. Even for a moment. Even in a windstorm. practically dangling behind you like a very delicate ornament. Honestly, I feel like the court would faint if they could see me now. It's terribly improper for a princess to be clinging to a knight. No, I'm happy. Thank you, truly, for saving me. Well, this is quite the adventure, isn't it? My horse? Well, Astra and we've been together since I was 6. Father insisted I take riding lessons, said a princess must always know how to manage a horse. But it's never been quite like this. Never with a windstorm chasing us. Yeah, and I get it, she was scared, so she ran away. And I was left alone. She's clever, you know? Stubborn too. Always thinking she can outpace the storm, just like me. I suppose that's why I love riding with her. It's companionship. Loyal, reliable. Like what I feel when I sit behind you like this. I shouldn't say this out loud, but it's nice to be able to rest like this, even for a little while. To feel safe in the simplest, quietest sense. And here I thought a princess's life would be full of stiff balls and tedious court life. Instead, I'm clinging to a knight in the middle of a forest storm. And somehow it feels perfect. I'm very glad you found me today, yes. We have to find Astra now. Okay, you're right. We should wait until the wind calms down. I don't want to catch a chill. Yeah, let's return to the shelter. Wait! Look! That's Astra! She found her way back all by herself. Good girl! I told you, she's too smart for her own good. Thanks. You know, you really did impress me today. How steady you are, how brave. It's exciting in a way I didn't expect. I hope I see you again. Soon. Somehow. Yeah. I really hope so.